and today's date is 5/11, no? Today's date is 5/11 and we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to start the COMET work on which we were doing question number 3rd. And question number 3rd is using the pictorial representation of following fractions. You have to find the sum of 3/8, 1/8 and 5/8. Okay, we have 3 fractions and you have to take out the sum of all those 3 fractions which is given here.
Ma'am, it is 5/8.
I have written 5/8 only. It is not clear properly, but it is 3/8, 1/8 and 5/8. Let me get it closer. 1 minute. Huh? Now is it properly visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
It's 3/8,
Yes, ma'am.
1/8 and 5/8. So what I will do, I'll take the help of a circle because in circle I can do the parts very easily. So first circle I am doing, which will be, now this is half. Now 4 parts, 6 parts, now 8 parts. Okay? Now a circle has 8 parts now here, and in that I want 3 parts. So 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Now 3 parts are shaded out of 8. So this is the representation for 3/8. Okay? Now I have to add. So it's plus now. I want 1/8. So again I will draw the circle. Maybe circle can be of different shape. You please draw proper circle, beta. I am not having any circular object to draw this, but you have it. So now let's take it one more. This will be now first one. This will be called as 1/8. Okay, this is 1/8 now. Now we have to move ahead. We have to add 5/8 also. So I'll take up next one. This I drawn. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is 5/8. Okay? Now we will total all the shaded parts, that how much it is coming. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total parts are coming 9 which are shaded. So this is 9 and total how many? 8, 8, 8. So it will be giving you 9/8. The answer would be 9/8. But if you talk about the pictorial representation of 9/8, you should know that it will be 1 whole 1/8. It's 1 whole 1/8. Okay? If you see this figure, 1, 2, 3 are shaded, 4th one is shaded, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9 is shaded. It means this total part is completed. It means our answer would be somewhere one circle. We'll make it this one. This total whole one part will be shaded, and we'll draw one more on which one more part is shaded. It means we have, the answer would be 1 whole 1/8 which is shaded in this one. Is it understood or not? Yes. Okay, this is 9 whole 1/8. I am taking the screenshot and I'll share it with you on your on your WhatsApp group after the class. Okay. I hope this question is understood to you. I hope this is understood to you. Yes or no? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So now let us do the next question, that is choose the correct option. Let us do the next question, that is choose the correct option. Yes. So according to choose the correct option, we have the first question is you have to find out the simplest form of 69/92. So I am rubbing this one. Yes. Our next question is choose the correct option for question number 4A. We have to find out the simplest form. The simplest form of 69 upon 72. ठीक है? Now 69, sorry, it's 92, not 72. It's 92. So I'll rub this one. This is 92. ठीक है? So I want the simplest form of 69 upon 92. Now think of a table which gives us both the number in the same table. Can you tell me any table on which?
23. Ma'am.
23. Acha.
23.
Let us see. We have two processes. If you are not understanding which number to cut with, you can use the simple concept that is SCF wala. If you remember, we have done that. So we will take out SCF of both the numbers and you can do it. So SCF of both the number will be coming 23 only. When you will solve it, beside you will get 23 as a number when you will do the simplest SCF of both the numbers. So it will give you 69 divided by 23. Down one, you will have 92 divided by 23. So when you will solve it, it will give you 23 threes.
Ma'am, your video is blurred.
It will give you 23 fours. 23 fours. 92. Beta, my video is coming blur.
No, ma'am, it's clear. No, ma'am.
Beta, it is clear. I also know this now because here the network is good of Airtel. Now moving on to next question, that is question number B. Question number B is, what should be added to 9 whole 2 by 3 to get, which means you don't know what should be added to this number to get 19. Okay? We don't know what number should be added to 9 whole 2 by 3 to get 19. So we will do the simple process which I am telling you. Just a minute, let me take a screenshot of your attendance. Yes, fine. So now we have which number should be added to 9 whole 2 by 3 to get 19. For this, I will tell you one example. Suppose if I ask you what should be added to 15 to get 20. Will you reply? What should be the answer?
5.
5. Can you tell me? How you get 5?
By subtracting 15 and 20.
15 and 20. By which number you will subtract? By which number can you tell me? 20 minus 15. If you do 20 minus 15, you will get the value of box. Okay? So the same thing you will apply in this also. What you will do? You will subtract 19 minus 2 whole, 9 whole 2 by 3. 19 minus 9 whole 2 by 3. And when you will subtract, you will get the value of this box. How will you do that? 19 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है, जिसका कुछ नहीं होता उसका 1 होता है. So it will give you 19 upon 1 minus 9 3 are 27, 27 and 2 29. 29 upon 3. Now when you get, now LCM would be 3. Now when you will multiply 19 with 3, it will give you 57 minus 29. जब आप इसको solve करोगे तो 17 minus 9 it will give you 8 and 4 में से 2 गया बचा 2. So 28 upon 3. 3. Now when you will solve it, it will give you this. 9 3 are 27, 27 and 1, 28. 29 whole 1 by 3. Is it understood or not? Tell me. Absolutely,
Yes, ma'am.
Diya Gupta. Absolutely, Diya.
Yes, ma'am.
This is very correct. Absolutely, beta. Absolutely. Okay? So this was the whole process of doing the questions related to the beginning part. Okay? Now we will move further with the questions which we have in homework part. Okay? Homework part may I have told you to do by yourself, but let us discuss that whether you have done it correct or not. Let us discuss whether you have done it correct or not. Huh? So I am moving to the next question, that is of homework part. homework part we are discussing now. So if I move further, question number 1 says, how many fractions lie between 1 and 3? How many fractions lie between 1 and 3? Always remember, if you have to find fraction between any two numbers, I have already discussed with you, you have infinite. Okay? You can find out infinite fractions. Infinite, uncountable, many. You can write any answer out of it. It can be infinite, it can be uncountable, it can be many fractions. So remember, there can be infinite fraction in between 1 and 3. Okay? Now moving on to next question, that is question number 2 from here. Pick 4 pairs of equivalent fraction from the following. अगर आपको याद होगा बेटा, इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन हम लोगों ने किया था. ठीक है? Now I am giving you direct pair because this was given by me. 2 by 3 will be with 5, 10 upon 15. ठीक है? Because 10 upon 15 को जब आप solve करोगे कट करके, you will get it 2 by 3 only. 5 2 जा 10, 5 3 जा 15. Now comma 3 by 6. 3 by 6 will give you 1 by 2. And the same number 1 by 2 only. ठीक है? Now next pair will be
1 upon 3.
1 by 3. 1 by 3 will be with 5 by 15.
5 upon 15.
Okay. Now the last one is left, 4 by 10 and 2 by 5. 4 by 10 and 2 by 5. Yes, 4 by 10 and 2 by 5. This will be the complete solution for this question. Okay. I hope it is clear now how we are getting this one. Now moving on to question number 3. The question number 3 says, Mrs. Soni bought 8 by 9 liters of milk. Out of this milk, 3 whole 5 by 7 liters was consumed. The question says to us कि मिसेस सोनी जो थी उन्होंने कितना लीटर दूध खरीदा? 7 whole 8 by 9 liters दूध खरीदा. और उस दूध में से she has consumed मतलब उन्होंने खर्च कर लिया. कितना खर्च कर लिया? 3 whole 5 by 7. Now it is asking how much milk is left. How much milk is left with her? So what we'll do? We will just do the formula, that is subtraction only, not formula. We will just use the simple concept of subtraction. So here left quantity of milk is equal to how much it was? It was 7. How much was consumed? 3 whole 5 by 7. So we will just simply use the process, okay, and we will do this question. Now let us solve this one. You also do it along with me. 7 9s are 63. 63 and 8. When you will do it, it will give you 71 upon 9. Do you agree? It will give you 71 upon 9. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now when you will solve this one, it will give you 7 3 21, 21 and plus 26 by 7. Okay. Now we will have LCM of 7 and 9. LCM of 7 and 9 when you will do absolute, it will give you here 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 7, यहाँ पर cancel होगा 7 से. So LCM would be 3 into 7, which will give you here 63. LCM would be 63. So when you will solve this one, here it will give you 63. Now नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply. नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply. We will use the concept behind it. Now 63 divided by 9, it will give you 7. 71 into 7. Minus, and this will give you 26 into 9. Is it okay? Is it
Yes,
okay? This step is okay to you?
Yes,
Yes. Now move forward. Now it will give you 7 1 is 7, 7 7 is 49. Now minus 9 6 is 54. Carry here 5. 9 2 is 18, 18 and 5 23.
Ma'am, 234.
Absolutely. ठीक है. Now we will subtract it. Now when we will subtract 7 में से 4, it will
Ma'am,
give you 3. 9 में से, yes, 9, yes,
263.
absolutely. 263 upon 63. And when you will solve this number into mixed fraction, you will get it 4 whole 11 upon 63 liters of milk. Okay, so this will be the complete solution for this question. Question number 3A. This was question number 3A. Okay, now we will move forward with the next question. Should we move forward?
Ma'am, please wait for a minute.
Beta, I will, if you want to see, you can see, because I will share the screenshot
Ma'am,
with
done.
you. ठीक है?
Ma'am.
Screenshot, I will share it with you.
Ma'am, before only I done.
Okay, okay, good.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, so I will move forward. If you are noting it down, just do it faster. Yes, now I am moving on to next question. Okay, I'm rubbing this one. Now, if I move forward, I'll be discussing with you the next question, which is question number 3B. Question number 3B. Now, question number 3B is, while coming back home from his school, Kishan covered 6 whole 2 by 7 kilometer by rickshaw and 3 whole 1 by 2 kilometer on foot. It means he was the name is Kishan, who is a boy, and it is talking about that Kishan has covered 6 whole 2 by 7 kilometer when he was returning from his school to home. He has covered 6 whole 2 by 7 kilometer by rickshaw and 3 whole 1 by 2 kilometer on foot. Now, what is the distance of his house from his school? It's but obvious. The person is Kishan here, okay, and he is returning home to school, है ना? School to home, sorry. Okay, half of the journey he has covered through rickshaw, and half of the journey from here he covered from auto. Okay, somebody is unmuted. Somebody is unmuted. Please mute.
Ma'am, it is on foot.
Ma'am, the screen
Achha, sorry, this was foot.
black.
3 whole 1 by 2 kilometers. ठीक है? So here 6 whole 2 by 7 and 3 whole 1 by 2 kilometer on foot. Now it is discussing. You have to find out the total distance between school to home. How much is total distance? So what to do? Total distance will be 6 whole 2 by 7 plus 3 whole 1 by 2 kilometers. ठीक है? Now let us add it. 7 6 the 42, 42 और 2 मिलाकर हो गया 44 upon 7 plus 3 2 the 6 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. Now when you will solve it, LCM of 7 and 2 will give you here 14. Now when you will solve it, it will give you here 88 plus 49. Now will be added together. 8 and 9 will give you 17. Carry here 1. 8 4 12 1 3 13. 137 upon 14. And when you will solve this number in the form of mixed one, it will give you 9 whole 11 upon 14 kilometers. Is it understood or not? Please let me know by yes or no. This was question number 3B.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have understood, please reply by yes in the chat box. Those who have understood, please reply by yes in the chat box. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Now moving ahead with the next question, that is, write the fraction that represent the unshaded part. Now it is discussing unshaded part. Unshaded part means you have to do it by your own. This question is not so tough. Only you have to discuss what is unshaded part here. So let me give you time, just a minute. First wale mein, if you talk about question number 4A, first one you can count the shaded total part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 15 parts are there. Okay, total 15 parts are there, and out
Ma'am,
of
5
15, 1,
parts
2,
are
3, 4,
shaded.
5, 6. No, but it is asking how many are unshaded. So, yes, 10 will be
Ma'am, 10.
unshaded. 10 will be unshaded, and when you will solve this one, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. Answer would be 2 by 3. Okay? Now moving on to next. Here we have total 9 circles, and
Ma'am,
out of
3 by
9
9.
circles, 3 by 9. And 3 by 9 को जब आप solve करोगे, it will give you 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. It will give you 1 by 3. Now moving on to next one. Total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are there. Out of 6 parts, 1 part is unshaded. So the answer would be 1 by 6. Okay? I hope this question is clear to you. Now we are on next question, that is using number line. So now I will request everybody, if you are using the Comet directly, please draw a long number line. Don't draw a short number line, draw a long number line, because we have so much numbers to add. Okay? So we should do this one. We will add these numbers, and you have to draw this one, draw the number line on your fair copy.
Ma'am, can we cover that rough work?
Yes, you can. Okay, now I am moving ahead with question number of more challenging. Homework part I am rubbing it now because we have done this. Now we are on more challenging questions. Okay? Now more challenging question, question number 1A, which is telling us we have to add some numbers which is given in the form of fractions. You have to add those numbers on number line. So I will be telling you this question. Okay? सबसे पहले let us do one thing. Convert these mixed numbers into which fraction? Proper or improper?
Improper.
Okay? Yes, improper fraction. And when you will convert them in proper fraction, they will give you 5 to the 10, 10 plus 4, 14 upon 5, plus 1 5 the 5, 5 1 6 upon 5, plus 17 upon 5. Hana? It was given minus, I believe, no? This is minus, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
This is minus. I have written wrong. Sorry. This was minus. So let us, you can see the numbers are very large, 14, 6, and 17. So let us draw the number line starting from 0. And I am drawing this number line here. Okay? And you know that it is 5, 5, 5. It means it will start by 0 upon 5. So 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. You also do it along with me. 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5 means 1.
Ma'am, till how much it is?
Take it till 23, 24 by 5. 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5, 11 by 5, 12 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, 15 by 5. Now here it is 2 whole, it is 3 whole. Now here 16 by 5, 17 by 5, 18 by 5, 19 by 5, 20 by 5 means 4 whole. Now 21 by 5, 22 by 5, 23 by 5, 24 by 5, 25 by 5, that is 5 whole. Now I will not be drawing more than that. Okay, till here it is sufficient for us. Okay, now question is telling us you have to add 14 by 5 to 6 by 5. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले 1/5 का मतलब होता है 1 step. ठीक है, 2 by 5 means 2 steps, 3 by 5 means 3 steps. तो सबसे पहले what we will do here, we will move ahead to 14 by 5. We will jump on 14/5 because we have to start our question from 14/5. So I am moving from 0 to direct 14/5. I move there. Okay, now I will start my journey from 14/5. Now 14/5 से कितना चाहिए? Plus 6/5. 6/5 means 6 units. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As it is, if you will do it plus 6 unit, you will get it 20/5. ठीक है, you are getting 20/5. ठीक है, now after reaching on 20/5, the question is telling us to come back, है ना, because it is telling subtraction. Subtraction means minus, and minus means coming back to the position, or you can call it to the left hand side, not right hand side, है ना. It will be on left hand side, and when you are discussing left hand side, कितना left hand side आना है? 17 steps. ठीक है, 17 steps you have to move back. तो हम लोग ऊपर से मूव करेंगे. ठीक है, now I am moving here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So I have reached on to 17, और जैसे हमने माइनस किया 17 को, we are on 3/5. Okay, we are on 3/5. So according to our question, we are on the answer 3/5. ठीक है, this is giving us 3/5. But remember beta, this is only for the question when we are doing here the number line. But question is telling us that you have to do this question by computation also. Computation means आपको solve भी करना है and verify करना है कि that this answer is correct or not. So let us check it whether our answer is correct or not. How will we do that? How will we do that? Will you tell me? See, by
cross
computation.
multiplication.
No cross multiplication is needed, my dear.
I thought you were asking about question number 2.
No, I am asking that in this question only computation also you have to do. Computation मतलब होता है you have to solve normally, and after solving you have to tell
Ma'am,
whether it will be correct.
Ma'am,
or
can
not.
I?
Yes.
Ma'am, first, ma'am, we can add 14 by 5 and 6 by 5, and whatever the sum is, we can subtract 17 by 5
Ma'am, we
from
will
that.
add 14 and 6 by add, and we will subtract from 17. What the answer will
Absolutely.
come?
We will add 14 and 6, which will give you 20/5. Then we have minus 17/5, है ना? So 20/5 minus 17/5, which will give us 3/5. And now you can see it's 3/5 and this is 3/5. Both are exactly same. It means you people are doing the correct process of doing this question. I hope this is understood to you. If not understood, write no. If understood, write yes in the chat box, please. If understood, write yes. If not understood, write no in the chat box. Yes. Now moving on to next question. If this is done, we'll move ahead with the next question. Thank you very much everyone for writing down yes in the chat box. I already taken a screenshot, so I'll give it to you after the class, okay, on the group itself. Thank you everyone. Now moving on to next question. The question is telling us you have to tell which one is greater, okay, which one is greater, and we have numbers 3 whole 1/3 and another number we have 33/10. Okay, one number we have is 3 whole 1/3 and the second number is 33 upon 10. So if I talk about these two numbers, it is asking which number is greater. So सबसे पहले this is a mixed fraction. So let us convert this
Convert
number.
to in proper.
10 upon 3 and this is 33 by 10. ठीक है? Now you know that the simple process is cross multiplication to do that, है ना? So we will make cross in between. We will put arrowhead in between. After putting these two things, you know that 10 will come to this 10. It will give you 10 into 10. Now this 3 will go this side, so it will give you 33 by 3. 33 multiplied by 3. It will give you 99. This will give you 100. Okay, it is 100. This is 99. Now you only think which number is greater here. 100 is only greater. So if
10
100
by
is only
3.
greater, yes. So this is 3 whole 1 by 3 will be greater to 33 by 10. This is the question number 2, which was telling us to give this answer. Okay? I believe you people have understood. If understood, write down yes in the chat box. If understood, write down yes in the chat box so that I can discuss the next question with you. Because ये third वाला question complete हो जाएगा आज. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for responding. Now moving on to next question, that is question 3. अब देखो question number 3. I will tell you and I know that you people will cooperate and we will do it along with us. ठीक है? सभी लोगों को पता है कि एक अगर हमारे पास एक triangle हो, ठीक है? If we have a triangle and triangle perimeter, what is the formula of triangle perimeter if sides are A, B and C? Can you tell me what is the formula of finding the perimeter of a triangle?
All sides will be added.
All sides will be added. A plus B plus C. It is not A into B into C. The perimeter formula is A plus B plus C. This is the formula. Okay? Suppose if I give you this is 5 and I tell you this is 20 and I tell you that perimeter is 40. Now can you tell me what will be the measurement of third side by using chat box? Please use chat box. Please use chat box and tell me what should be the value of B. I tell you A, I have told you B. Now you tell me what will be the value of C here. Pratyushi, it will not be 2 whole 3 by 8. I am not doing that question. I am discussing different thing, beta. Yes. Now I am asking, what do you think? What will be the value of the second side, that is B? Very good. Everybody has told correct. Now, will you explain me the process? By which process you do it? Please write it down in the chat box.
Ma'am.
No, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me, please. Don't tell me. Use your chat box. I want to listen from everyone. I want how you got 15. 15 कैसे मिला आपको? Not only by addition. I just want to know the full process. Tell me how you got 15 in the answer. Tell me faster how you got the answer. Very good. Now look at here. Absolutely correct. You people have added 20 and 5. जो कि आपको दिया था, आपने 20 और 5 को ऐड किया, you will get it 25 और उसके बाद आपने इसको 40 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. ठीक है? It means one time you did addition and the second time you did subtraction. So first you have added 2 sides which were given to you and then you have subtracted from the second number. ठीक है? You did that. So I am discussing now. Now let us discuss How we'll do in the original number when we have another number? We will use the same concept. ठीक है, हम लोग concept बिल्कुल यही use करेंगे. ठीक है, but यहाँ पर value change हो जाएंगी बस. ठीक है, numbers will be in the form of fraction. Otherwise, everything will remain common. The process will remain common. Here,
Ma'am, we have to make triangle.
yes, you have to make triangle. It is already drawn in the book. Sorry, comment. It is given 3 whole 1 by 2, and this is given here 2 whole 3 by 8 meter. Okay? The third one is missing. The third one is missing, and the perimeter is given here 8 whole 1 by 4 meter. Okay? This is given here. Now what to do? We'll do the same process. We will add these two first. Okay? B plus C, we will add it. जो हम लोगों ने पुराने क्वेश्चन में किया था 3 whole 1 by 2 plus 2 whole 3 by 8, we will add it. It will give you 7 upon 2 plus 19 by 8. ठीक है, and when you will solve it, LCM would be 8. It will give you 7 4s are 28 plus 19. It will give you 47 upon 8, no? 47 upon 8 when you will add it, and then you have to subtract from perimeter. What is now perimeter minus 47 upon 8. Now आप जब इसको solve करोगे, it will give you 40. What was the number? 8 whole 1 by 4 minus 47 upon 8. The same process as you will do it in earlier one. 33 upon 4 minus 47 upon 8. Now when you will have this number in LCM, you will get it 8. It will give you 66 minus 47. It will give you 9. 19 upon 8. Finished. The same process, the same value as we will do this question. Okay, just see this one. I have done the same process, but only the one difference is there. We have the numbers in fraction. We don't have numbers in normal values. Okay, we have numbers in the form of fractions. Is it done? If understood, write down yes. If not understood, write no. I have only done two things. I have added, then I have subtracted. If understood, write yes. If not understood, write no. Okay. Now, students who have understood, Anika, you can stop recording, beta. Anika, you can stop recording.